Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a next level cleaning machine, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's basically a fully automated cleaning system for your home. Let's start with the insane power. This thing delivers up to 25,000 PA suction, which is way higher than most robot vacuums. That means it can handle everything from fine dust to heavy debris and even stubborn pet hair on carpets. Now here's where it gets futuristic: the extendable side brush and mop system. It actually reaches into corners, edges, and under furniture where most robot vacuums usually fail. So you're getting a much more complete clean without missing spots. And the real game changer, the all-in-one docking station. This dock doesn't just charge the robot, itself empties dust, washes the mop, dries it, and refills water automatically. So you can literally go weeks without touching the vacuum. For mopping, it intelligently adjusts water levels and pressure, giving you proper floor cleaning instead of just dragging a wet cloth around. It also comes with smart navigation and obstacle avoidance, meaning it maps your home, avoids furniture, and cleans efficiently without bumping into everything. Control is super easy with app and voice support, so you can schedule cleaning, set zones, or just tell it to start using voice assistants. Overall, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is perfect if you want a hands-free, premium cleaning experience with top-tier power and automation. If you're tired of daily cleaning and want your home to stay clean automatically, this is one of the best upgrades you can make. Check the link in the description to get yours today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more smart tech reviews.